So what's up guys, I'm finally gonna do my spring cleaning video where I declutter my closet, which I'm so excited to do, and I've waited so long to do this. And I'm not trying to be minimalistic or nothing like that, but I'm trying to have less clothes. Before I was a shopaholic, now I'm not. But in a few weeks I'm going to Berlin, Germany, and they have Primark there, so I'm probably gonna shop a bit. So I need to get rid of a lot of clothes so I can buy some more. So I'm just gonna start to declutter my closet, and I'm gonna start with this clothing rack behind me.
Any ideas?
I'm now finally done. It took me about an hour and I'm exhausted, but I'm so happy with all the stuff that I got rid of, even though I'm kind of emotionally attached to some of the items, but it's all good. And I didn't say it in the start of the video, but I made 3 piles. One pile which is a maybe pile with stuff that I'm not sure if I'm gonna get rid of, donate or sell or keep. And one pile with stuff that I'm going to sell. And one pile with things that I'm going to donate, which is the biggest pile. So now I'm going to show you all of the clothes in a different kind of categories. So this is the maybe pile with stuff that I'm not sure what I'm going to do with. Some of the stuff I got gifted, but they're too small, but I'm going to keep them anyways. But I'm probably going to get rid of them because there's no point of saying stuff that you can't fit in. Now this is my sale pile with stuff I'm going to sell online. Some of the stuff are too big, some I don't wear, but I'm so sad I'm going to get rid of these overalls because if you know me, I love overalls. I'm wearing them right now, but this one is too big on the booty area, so I can't wear them, otherwise I will show my butt, which you don't want to. You don't want to see it, I don't want to show it, so. But sadly I have to get rid of these and a lot of this stuff that I love but I don't wear or is too small or whatever. And now my donate pile, which is huge. I can't carry all of the things, but this is all of the stuff that I'm going to donate so someone else can buy them, because I don't put my clothes in those containers with ships close to like poor countries, because you don't know what the clothes go to, or they even go to the people who need them, so therefore I donate them to like Red Cross and other things that we have here in Sweden. So just sell the clothes, get money, send the money to countries who need them, and I feel like that's better, and I feel like I'm really out of breath because I am. But this is all the stuff that I'm going to donate, so someone will probably buy them and enjoy them more than I have. And I'm so happy to get rid of clothes. And that's so weird to say, but a few years ago I couldn't have done this, and I do this every single year now. Before, my closet was filled to the brim with clothes, but now I'm happy with few clothes, and as you can see, a few hangers have no clothes on them, so I love that. And I have so much space in my closet now. And if you want to see me do more of these, I've done them for 3 years. I will link the videos down below if you want to watch more of these that I've done. So this is it. I don't know what more to say. This is this video, and I love watching these videos myself because I love getting rid of stuff. But I hope you guys like this video. I'll see you guys in my next one, and hugs, kiss, and bye. Bye!